Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Instagram call history. It is so simple guys. Firstly, what you need to do, just simply scroll on your right side, and then when you see on your right upper side beside the plus icon you have an icon for video and audio call. Click on that, and here guys, as you can see, you have the audio and the video call sections. But how do you delete the Instagram call history? As you can see, I don't have any call right now from beginning to this moment, and this is why I couldn't show you how to delete this call history. But it is so simple when you just have, for example, here in the recent calls history, you just type on it and hold on, and then you're gonna have an option for deleting this calling history. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.